What's going on, guys? Steve Sam here with Beyond the Build. We're here with Bae. We're gonna head to Cars and Coffee right here in West Covina. So we're gonna head out a little bit. Just did a little diagnostics, made sure the Z was ready. And yeah, so let's get ready and head out to the Cars and Coffee. Let's go, guys. Just wait. Goodness, look at that leak. That's okay. Added a whole bunch of coolant, so let's just full send it. There's babe. You know, I added a new filter to the lens. It looks so much better. Look, everything looks more crisp. Like a lens filter. Look at that. Now we're gonna make some Instagram quality videos.
Yeah. Cold and tight on my hips.
Ooh. My favorite. Race car troubles. Where we're going. There you go. Hi! 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 We're here. We're here. Have a ticket.
Are we gonna win?
We're gonna win something. Favorite part? Air it out. Ooh, narrator. Okay. Let's go say hi to everyone and film all the. Let's go say hi to everyone and film all the builds and yeah. And hold on to our ticket because we're gonna win something. Whoop whoop. But I take this off.
It does look so much better with the filter. That's a close call for your door there, sir.
Very close there, ma'am. Look at the clearance right here. Look at the hand clearance. Burly. Usual. Help the lady out. My lady. My fair lady. Ayo. So this is our first event, like literally local. So pretty close.
No.
Pretty close. Boom. There's a build. I could finally get some pictures in the rain. It's time for a photo shoot. Check out that splitter, dog. Damn, son. That fitment. I like this livery on the side, no? That's a fun livery. Hey, I think this is the same spoiler that Javi had when he had his XB. These over fenders. That fitment though, pretty clean. That was Miata though. That Miata though. I think I've seen this rear diffuser before. This is something new. Carbon fiber side mirror. We're out here with her detailing. What's good? What's your business? What do you do, man?
So pretty much what I do is just clean up your mess. If you have a clean car already, I mean, it's only gonna get cleaner. If you have a dirty car, obviously I'm gonna give it to you better than when you gave it to me. I'm a mobile detailing service. At any point in time you wanna go ahead and shoot me a DM, we can book an appointment in advance.
Right on, man. Well, pleasure.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Slightly dirty again. They always say a detailer's car is gonna be dirtier than their clients. It's because I forget to clean my own car because I'm so busy.
Oh, that's all good.
I'm gonna be throwing a carbon fiber overlay. It's going to be going all over this and it's going to be capping it out, so it's going to give it a nice flush OEM plus look.
Sick. Appreciate it. Thank you for taking the time to do a quick little interview and, you know, checking out the build. So.
Yeah, guys, if you guys are part of the family, you know, Masterson's, consider us family.
For sure. Go Rams! Can I slap this on my car? Can I do one? Okay. I like this contrast of like blue and pink. It's actually really clean. Hey, go get your car now. Down the street. Check out these wraps. That's nuts.
I like the car's eyes.
I don't know, man. Straight bottom.
So many towels.
Yo, this is soft. Feels, baby.
Flawless towels. You gotta clean my car, babe.
Okay, so you're gonna buy. Alright, so babe really wanted me to clean her car, so I need you to buy me a whole set of stuff.
I already did.
Okay. Got some donuts.
And individually packaged to be nice and more safe.
There you go. Raffle, raffle.
You, the camera, get the ticket.
Okay.
Don't pick yours though. Or it was a wax.
That's a wax.
Very, very high-end wax.
Then you can wax my car too.
Can tell you about
What?
it.
I spent like 4 hours detailing your car now.
Stick around.
My car's like 10 times the size of your car.
What if I just banner to Z right now with the SoCal Z's?
What?
I have the decal here. I think I'm gonna banner
Put it
myself.
on the bottom?
Right here on the bottom.
As long as it doesn't start raining.
Full send. Why is that red? Why is that red? El Camino, bruh. Sick. Is that a Nardi steering wheel? This is a Nardi steering wheel, bruh. Those wheels, man. Them Daytons. Them Daytons. Really enjoyed the pinstriping.
You need the stencil, so you just paint it.
I'm gonna put that wet. LOL. J money on them.
My mom. What is thought life?
Oh, that's a story for another day, guys. Do it. Wow. We went to Formula D and got this really expensive ass umbrella for like
$70.
yeah,
But it was so hot and sunny. It was worth it. We
worth
used it.
the investment. Yeah, look at it. It's so nice.
But then at the next one, they were selling it for like $15.
I was really mad about that. Okay. What are you doing? And here would be on the bill. We just got some Mastersons winning. It's gonna be tropical pineapple. A picture of the picture. Picture of the picture.
Have a great day.
Yeah.
Enjoy the rest of the day.
Yee. Hey. All right, Diana.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, we want some really Tropicana smellies. Good stuff. Now we're gonna head to Seafood City and get some breakfast. Breakfast. Let's go. Oh, thanks. Food City, Seafood City, Seafood City. Okay, got the foods, got the drinks, and then we're gonna head home, and then yeah, go eat. Oh, my lens is all wet. Can you see it? Oh, you can't see it. A little bit. This is a nice camera. Boom. All right, we're back home. Z's back in the garage. We had a great time at Cars and Coffee. Met some really great people. Have some new connections now. So, with that being said, that's gonna do it for today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.